Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your account on Instagram private. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on my profile and I am on the main page and my profile is currently public. So let's change that. The first thing you want to do is click on your profile icon in the bottom right to enter your account page. Then you're going to want to click on the three bars in the top right simply to enter your settings and activity page. This is where you'll make most of your changes, including whether your account is private or not. And then you're just going to want to scroll down until you can get to who can see your content. The first option, as you can see, is account privacy, and currently it says public. If you click on it, as you can see, you can set up a private account. You just have to click this slider, and as you can see, business accounts can be private. So because my account is a business account, I cannot really make it private, but as you can see, if you click that and change the privacy settings, you can very easily make your account private. But let me try to demonstrate to you just because I can. Let me just go into my account center. I think I need to go there, and maybe I don't, yeah, actually business tools and controls, then switch account type, and I'll switch it to a personal account. And now that I've done that, let it just load for a second. And once that's done, then I'll be able to change my account type. As you can see, my account is still a business type account, but now I think it changed. And as you can see, you just need to tap on switch to private account, and now my account is private. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.